Welcome to Hawkins Truck Van Centre. Today we're going to have a look around the new exciting Mitsubishi L200 Series 6. It's powered by a 2.2 litre 16-valve turbocharged common rail direct injection diesel engine. That's a mouthful, but it delivers 150 brake horsepower with 400 Newton meters of torque at 2000 RPM, suitable for towing 3.5 tonne with ease. As you can see, absolutely impressive. The front looks like it's been carved out of a block of steel. Massive front bonnet grille, giving you LED daytime running lights at the top. Nice squared off dynamic shield that Mitsubishi have incorporated across all their models, with front fog lights and parking sensors, radar assistance. But I'll talk you through some of the more technical bits inside as we look around. Looking at the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, they've given it a two-tone look, squared off the wheel arches, giving it a much more impressive stance on the road. With chrome coverings on the mirrors and door handles, plus a step up, it adds that extra bit of presence on the road. We've put a canopy on the rear so you can store all your items safely in the back, kept locked away. Coming round to the rear of the vehicle, you can see they've pushed the tail lights out right to the very edge. This makes them much more visible, and with the LED illumination considerably brighter than of older models. The rear tailgate has had a dampener included, which means when you open it up, rather than it being quite heavy to pull down, as you can see, it softly lowers, and nowadays you can raise it with just one finger. In the past, that would have been quite a weight. Sitting in the cockpit, you can see they've really spent a lot of time making sure you have all the creature comforts. The steering wheel's been upgraded from the previous model with nice leather finishings and everything you need in front of you. Cruise control, audio controls, all to hand. The information technology screen is right in front of your eye line and will enable you to connect to your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can use your mapping system from that to navigate to different locations. Tiny cameras all around allow you to keep an eye on the front, rear and sides of your vehicle. Using the collected data, the 360-degree camera can also create a bird's eye visual of the vehicle to help you orientate yourself and park more safely. Temperature controls are done automatically via the digital temperature display, and you've also got a raft of features in the high-end model Barbarian X, which includes things like heated steering wheel and heated seats. The four-wheel drive select system is world-class leading. It's the only pickup that can be driven on tarmac in four-wheel drive. Super easy to select using the Super Select device, and you also have the new addition of hill descent. It controls the braking system when you're going downhill, so you don't need to worry about that, just take control of the steering. The Series 6 pickup has automatic high beam. If an oncoming vehicle is detected, it automatically switches to low beam until the vehicle is safely passed. It then switches back to high beam on your behalf, so your hands can stay on the wheel and you can stay more in control. Thank you for taking the time to look around this amazing new pickup truck. If you want to have a test drive, pop on down to us at Hawkins Mitsubishi in St Stephen or Penryn. Look forward to seeing you soon.